Assalamu alaikum, gentlemen. So now I have a lecture on physics, equation of motions. So there are many students which have difficulty to in the numericals of physics. How can we solve the numericals in physics, gentlemen? So I have now make a lecture on this, and now I am delivering to you. There are three equations of motion. First equation, this is known as first equation of motion. This is known as second equation of motion, and this is known as third equation of motion. And this is the question: how can we use and where at which place we can use these equations to solve the numerical? This is the important question. So, gentlemen, this is the question of this. This is the means answer of that your question, that we use the first equation when you have to find the final velocity, or you have find the initial velocity, acceleration, or time. And when you have the final velocity you have not given, unknown, your final velocity is unknown, then you can use your second equation, s is equals to vit plus half at square. When you find your distance, we can use second equation of motion, or to find time, or we can find initial velocity and acceleration through the second equation. We use third equation when we use the distance, acceleration, final or initial velocity. Okay, gentlemen, I have numericals, and I will show the numericals to you, and I have solved this. Inshallah, hope that you will understand this, and you will also solve more numericals on same topic. So here, this is the first numerical. Calculate the acceleration of a bus that speed up from 20 meter per second to 40 meter per second in 8 seconds. Uh, Here, this in this numerical, writer wants to ask you that find the acceleration. You should find acceleration, and you have given time is equals to 8 second. The speed up from means the bike or that bus is moving, means initial to final stage. The initial speed is velocity 20 meter per second. This is known as for the initial velocity. The initial speed or initial velocity is 20 meter per second, and this is the final velocity or final speed is 40 meter per second. When we have used this equation, vf is equals to vi plus at. The final velocity is 40, initial velocity is 20, acceleration is 8, and time time is 8, and the acceleration we should find. So here on right side you will look that there 20 is positive. When it will go towards the left side, it will be negative. 40 minus 20 to remaining will be 20. So the 8 is multiply with acceleration. Here it will be divide 20 divided by 5. So the answer will be 4.5. So the unit of acceleration is meter per second square. The acceleration we should find through this process, and hope that this will uh, this will be means helpful for you, and you will also solve many other problem in physics and numericals. Also remember these equations. It will help you in different means and different at stages of your physics problems. So here this is the second question. If a bus is moving on a road with 15 meter per second, and its acceleration is 5 meter per second square, find its final velocity, and time is taken 6 seconds. Initial velocity is 15 meter per second, acceleration 5 meter per second square, final velocity you should find, and the time taken 6 seconds. Vf is equals to vi plus at, same equation. So we should find the final velocity. Initial velocity is 15 plus acceleration is 5 and time is 6. 5 multiplied 6 is equals to 30. 30 plus 15 is equals to 45. The final velocity is 45 meter per second. And this is the third question. A car starts from rest. When a body starts from rest, it means that body's initial velocity will be 0. When a body starts from rest, it means that its initial velocity will be 0. When a body brakes, when a body applied brake, it means that its final velocity now it is 0. So here, when initial velocity is 0, acceleration is 5, distance is 50, and time is means time you should find. So we have used third equation. 2as is equals to vf square minus vi square. 2 same a, the value of a is 5 and value of s is 50. 2 multiply 5 is 10. 10 multiply 50 is 500. Vf square remains same, and when we remove the square, we will get under root on 50. The under root of 500 will be 22.3. This will be the final velocity. You can use this formula here, or you can use on second equation also here. If the acceleration is 0, this is the same problem. A acceleration is 5, initial velocity 0, distance 50, time taken time means you should find s is equals to vi plus half at t square. The distance is 50. Acceleration is 0. 0 multiplied t remains 0 plus 1 upon t. 5 into t square 2 up. Here we use 5 with 1. 5 upon 2. T square remains same. There 2 is divided here. When it will go there, it will be multiplied. 50 multiplied 2 remains 100. And here 5 is multiplied with t square. Here it will be divided. 100 divided by 5, it will be the 20. We will remove the square from t, so here it will be under root on 20. The under root of 20 is 40. The under root of t is 4.46 second. If we will go there, the time, what is the time? 4.46 second. Here what is the time? 4.46. So hope that you will understand this, and if you have another question, you can ask me in your comment section. Okay, Khuda Hafiz, gentlemen.